Meet the new generation of launching devices by TAG. The new family members are Shell Evo, Shell Pro Evo, Shell Multi-R, Shell HPA, and the new filling station. We call it FiSt2 in short. Every device has its purpose. Shell Evo is good to be used with such propellants like green gas, red gas, power gas, and other propane-based and cooling gases. Shell HPA is for high-pressure air use only. It must be filled from standard 850 psi regulated HPA paintball tank using the upper part of the FiSt2. This device will throw the projectiles as far as our shellless grenade launcher TAG ML36, upgraded with HPA extension kit. The air temperature and humidity will not affect the velocity and ballistics of the shot anymore. The similar ballistic of TAG ML36 launcher and Shell HPA will allow you to use TAG ML36 aiming device with any other grenade launcher. Shell Pro Evo. For CO2 gas usage only, there are few very important improvements. Comparing to the previous model, this device became significantly shorter, which making its use much easier with grenade launchers like M203. The plastic barrel has been upgraded. Now it is fit any grenade launcher's barrel perfectly. The sealing system has been upgraded too. Now you may keep your Shell Pro Evo under pressure all day long with no danger of O-rings damage. We don't want to brag, but there are practically no maintenance necessary anymore. Shell Multi-R for use with both CO2 and HPA. You can fill the Shell Multi-R with CO2 gas using our FiSt2 or any other similar filling adapter without pressure regulator. Shell Multi-R may also be filled from the regular HPA paintball tank regulated for 850 psi using the upper part of the FiSt2. The very lower part of the Shell Multi-R is equipped with range selector. You may increase or decrease the power of the device by turning this disc left and right. Just set the point and the number together for setting the necessary range. The minimum mark is setting the lowest power, which will allow you to launch the projectile on about 40 to 50 meters distance. The maximum mark is the highest power, which will throw the round on 150 to 170 meters, depends on the projectile style. Important to know, the biggest velocity change is between minimum and the number 3 marks. After Mark 3, the power increases slowly. Before charging any of our launching shells, please assure that the initiator is aligned with the surface. If it's not, just push it all the way in until you will hear the click. FiSt2 is the filling station for Shell HPA, Shell Pro Evo, and Shell Multi-R. This fully redesigned filling adapter has several important improvements. The sealing method has changed. Now no O-rings will be damaged or blown out during the CO2 tank replacement, even if some pressure has left in the chamber. No chance for leaking between nozzle and filling valve, even when the weather is cold. The tempered stainless steel nozzle is redesigned to fit perfectly our inlet valves. This fact is excluding the possibility of blowing out the inlet valve's seal and minimizing the pressure loss during the filling process. Now you can use this filling station for filling both CO2 and HPA propellants. In order to fill the device with HPA, just remove the upper part from the station, unscrew the CO2 adapter, and place the cap with nozzle on any 850 psi HPA tank. Another amazing thing is that after the filling process, there are no pressure left in the adapter. You may remove it right away without degas. If you use HPA devices only, you may purchase just the upper part of the device. The new line of the Shells and the FiSt2 parts are color-coded for the more comfortable use. For instance, Shell Pro Evo has the tan sector at its lower part as well as the CO2 chamber on the FiSt2 station, so you may see that they are compatible. On the other hand, the Shell HPA and Shell Multi-R has the red markings as well as the upper part of the FiSt2, which will be used for filling these launching shells with HPA. These new launching devices are having short pre-travel movement of the initiator. We are highly recommend you to set up your trigger in case you are using the M203 series grenade launcher in order to avoid the incident shot at the moment you are locking the barrel. Different models may be tuned in several ways. For example, by screwing or unscrewing the pusher, or by inserting or removing the shims or other spacers. If the barrel assembly is too loose, you will have to place the O-ring over the rim. You will have to find the proper O-ring to any individual grenade launcher. Once the shell is perfectly fixed, equip all the shells with the same O-ring if you're planning to use them with this grenade launcher.